Welcome back, students. Today we are solving the last question of 2023 IGCSE Math Paper. So in that question, we have one cuboid with a square base of side x centimeter. We have the length of CG is 20 and the AG is 28, and we will calculate the value of x. Okay, so first we use the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square plus CG square equals to AG square, right? So AC square, what is the CG we have? That is 20. So 20 square, and AG is 28 square. Now 20 square is 400, right? And this one is 28 square is 784. So AC square, that is equals to 784 minus 400, so we get 384, right? So this is the AC square. Now we relate AC to the side side x. So that means AB square plus BC square, that is equals to AC square. AB square is x and this one is also x, that is equals to AC square. So we get 2x square equals to AC square, right? Now we substitute the value of AC square. So we have 2x square equals to 384, right? And x square equals to, we divide 384 from 2, so we get 192. Now we take the square root on 192, so we get 13.856, or we rounding off this one, so we get 13.9. Okay, so this is the answer of the first part. Now we have the second part. We have again the diagram show different cuboid. We have a different cuboid. We have the MR is 30 and KR is 37. To correct to the nearest centimeter, calculate the lower bound of the angle between KR and the base of the cuboid. Okay, so first 30, that means the lower bound of this one is for MR. Okay, for MR, so the lower bound is 29.5 centimeter and the upper bound is the 30.5 centimeter. Now for KR, the lower bound is 36.5, right? And the upper bound is 37.5 centimeter, right? So we identified the relevant trigonometry ratio, that is the sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is MR, right? If you see, the MR is opposite, and the KR, this one, we are calculating these two sides, so this is KR, this is MR, right? So we have the sine theta for the lower bound equals to MR lower bound over KR upper bound. Okay, I just substitute the values for the, so 29.5 and the next one is 37.5, right? Now we calculate the theta lower bound equals to sine inverse 29.5 and the 37.5. Okay, we calculate the inverse, so we get the answer 51.9 degree to correct it to one decimal place. 51.9 degree. So this is the final answer. I hope this one is clear. And I think you have a question why we just calculate for it's for the lower bound, why it's not for the upper bound, because it's mentioned to just calculate for the lower bound. So this is the complete series of the 2023 May-June paper. And if you have any query regarding this, you will ask me into the comments.